Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by removing the worn silicone tips now. Grip the AirPod so the speaker faces down, then firmly pinch the base of the silicone with thumb and forefinger. Pull straight away from the plastic stem. Do not twist or yank at an angle, because that can tear the flange or dislodge internal mesh. Once done, inspect the stem and speaker mesh for debris, and make sure the valve and stem are intact before you reach for the replacement tips. Now fit the replacement silicone tips. First, match the size markings, small, medium, large, so you use the correct seal. Align the new tips in a ring with the AirPod stem and press straight on until you feel a distinct click. That click is the locking lip engaging. Once attached, give a gentle rotate and tug to confirm it's secure and forms a proper seal. If you need better noise isolation, try the next size up or down and repeat these steps. Finish by testing fit and sound quality. Play audio and use the device's fit test if available. Listen for balanced sound and minimal leakage. If audio is muffled or uneven, remove the tip, inspect for trapped lint or damage, clean the stem and tip opening, then reattach firmly. Often that fixes it. If the tip won't click or the seal consistently fails, replace the silicone tip set or seek service. Because a damaged stem or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.